Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everybody. This is Group M&M, Fundamental Programming Concepts, Assignment Part A, Submission. I am Muhammad Hisham and this is my teammate Musab Adil bin Khalifa. Let's start with feature identification. Our first feature is weighted score calculator. Description: this feature allows students to calculate their final course marks based on weighted assignments concepts such as quiz, assignment, project, and final exam. Because some students have problems in calculating their marks, so this will help them. Our feature 2 is GPA estimator with grade point mapping. This feature helps students estimate their GPA by entering subject name, grade obtained, and credit hours. This feature helps the student to to see their GPA in the end of the semester, for example, by using this formula. Our feature 3 is data summary generator. This feature generates a simple summary report displaying which is content of student name, total score, grade, and GPA. This feature, like the final result, we can say that it's final result, which is contains student name, total score, grade, and the GPA. Our additional feature with study time tracker. The description is the students can record subject name and hours studied. This feature can help the student to know how many hours he studied, to know how many subjects did he complete, and such on. We continue on planning on feature 1, weighted score calculator. This is our input, and here is our output. This is our variables. This is the type, and this is the name. Here we have the flow chart. We have it as written structure, like written, and we have a quick note that everybody should know this table, should know the samples, should know the name, and should know the functions. What this sample do, what is name, what is it name, what the function it do, what is the function it's used for. So everyone should know and practice on this table. Here are our flowchart. We start the program, we input the marks, then calculate the total score, then check the grade condition. After that, we display the result, and then we end the flowchart. Based on the flowchart, here our PC code. Feature 2, GPA estimator. Same thing, we have input and we have the output. Also, we have the variables and we have here the type and we have here the name. Here is the logic mapping operation steps. This, for example, if the student get A, so his GPA will be 4. If the student gets C, so his GPA will be 2, and so on. Here also the flowchart structured or written, and here is our flowchart. We start the program, we input subject data, then we convert grade to point. After that, we calculate the GPA. After that, we display GPA itself, and then we end the program. And based on the flowchart, we have the basic code. Feature 3, data summary generator. Also, we have input and we have output. We have the variable, we have type and name. Here in this feature, we don't need a flowchart because as you can see, the PC code is such a small, so we don't need to draw the flowchart. Our feature 4, which is additional, which is study time tracker. We have input and we have output, and we have also variables, and this is our basic code. We move on to C++ implementation. Our program named my e-learn assistance. After we run the program, this is what we should see in the output. The program will ask the user to enter the weighted score calculator, the GPA estimator, the data summary, study timer, and exit, and finally the exit. And here we have example for the main program, as you can see here. Here we use the switch because it's easy to understand and easy to write also. Instead of if else, we just use switch and we write like this: case 1, case 2, the GPA, case 3, data summary, and so on. Now let's go into our program. We start our program as usual with include IO stream, include IO main, IP, S string. Uh, we use many loops here in this program, such as do. Do start the do while display the menu repeatedly. It's uh, it allows the program to repeat. Here we use the switch also. The switch executes different functions depending on the user's selected option. Uh, Also, we have here the weighted score calculation. We have the precision tracker. We have the study timer. All of this in the switch, which is displayed in the output. Uh, Also, we have the loop. We use the loop for repeat study session also, and we use if else conditions to determine the study's grade. As you can see here, we use the switch. After that, we start a while loop. After that, here we start another while here also. Here we use the if and else because it's not. We don't need to use switch, or we prefer to use if and else instead of switch because it's not too much. We can use if and else. It will not be ugly. So it's all work. If we use switch, if we use if and else, all work. So now, sorry. Let's run the code again. Uh, as we can see, we get the calculator score and grade, course permission tracker. We get promo study timer, GPA calculator. We got smart study planner. For example, let's say we press 1. The program asks the user to enter quiz score. Let's say it's 15. Enter your assignment score. Let's just say it's 20. Project, it's 30. Final exam, let's say it's 99. So as we can see here, the program calculate our score, which is 41, and grade F. Why grade F? Because we in the program we said that if the grade less than here, if the grade is less than 50, then count F. If more than 50, count C. 75, count B, and 85, count A. So our grade is 41, so our grade is F. Let's do another test with the, let's say, GPA. So we type 4, enter the number of courses taken this semester. Let's say 5 courses. Enter letter grade, maybe let's say A. Enter credit hours, let's say 3. We do the same thing until 5. Let's do it one more time. Let's say A, and let's say 3. So as we can see here, the program calculate our GPA. Our GPA is 3.981. We enter this and we get 3.81. And also this is our code and this is our output. Let's type 6, and then the code program finished with exceed code 0. Please enter exceed console. And with that, our code ends. Thank you for using my e-learning assistance. Goodbye. Thank you everybody for